Jim Basham is with us. He is the president of the Monterey Depot Historical Society. We are standing outside of what is called the Sounthwind. Very popular site here in Monterey. If you're driving down Chestnut or Holly, you can see it coming near the depot. Jim, tell us a little bit of a general history about the Sounthwind.
Well, this car was made by the Pullman Company in Chicago, Illinois. They were a luxury train car manufacturer, and this car was used to transport people from Chicago to Miami, Florida. This car was manufactured in Chicago. It has an 8-inch floor, and that's to make it ride better. And these cars, there were 3 of these cars from Chicago that went down the rail lines to Miami. This car, the Sounthwind, was a particular car that went through Louisville, Kentucky to start its travel down to Miami. The car, of course, is made of stainless steel. The inside is carpeted, luxury, and it was first used as a passenger car, and later on converted to a dining car by the people at Nashville to use on their Broadway line that they had people paying customers to travel.
So we're lucky enough to have the Sounthwind in Monterey. So let's walk a little bit and maybe we can get a glimpse inside, but tell us how Monterey, or rather the Monterey Depot Historical Society, came to obtain the Sounthwind and how it got here.
Larry Vaden donated money to the Depot Society, and he originally wanted a engine, which we found out was too expensive for what we had, and we decided to buy this car from Nashville. Julie Bowman spearheaded the move to get this car electrified. It has all new wiring inside, and also she was the one who worked with Mr. Drunzik, the owner of the line, Tennessee Central, to move it over here. They bent the rails across the road and pushed this car in here, and she said she had the best time that week working with all the the people who moved this car over.
Let's take a look inside, and I know you all, and you can go on up there first, Jim. As part of the Monterey Depot Historical Society, you all have some plans for the Sounthwind as we get on in here, and it looks like some work has started somewhat, but really quickly, tell us what plans are in store as far as utilizing the Sounthwind here in Monterey.
This car was originally bought about 5 years ago, with Larry Vaden being the donor of the money, and we had to have it set on the siding for 3 years because we weren't able to get it moved over here. Finally, 2 years ago, we've got it moved over here and started work, reconditioning the inside, refurbishing it. We installed new windows. We had some leaks, installed new windows, and we hope that in the future we can make this into a dining car. We have individual tables, probably, I don't know, 20 or 24 of them, and seats to install in here. This has good carpet, apparently, that we think it is good when we take all this cover off. And anyway, we'll use this for community meetings, gatherings, to make money for the Depot Society, and hopefully everything will work out that we're able to get this started. We're going to add on to the back of this a outdoor area to make it safe, accessible, so that if we have any problem, we could get in and out of it safe, and people can go out there, have it covered, that they can actually sit out there and eat and enjoy the summer air.
Jim Basham is the president of the Monterey Depot Historical Society. Jim, we thank you so much. Real quick, I'm going to do a quick walk down here, and then we will shut her off, but we wanted to give everyone an inside look of the Sounthwind, and of course there's the caboose out in the front of this, and the Depot Society Historical Society has got some plans for the caboose as well, but I think the thing that's on most everyone's mind is what's going on inside the Sounthwind and kind of what the future plans are. And so as everyone's inside social distancing, we wanted to kind of get you all an inside look and give you an idea on some of the things that are taking place and what's in store for the Sounthwind here in Monterey at the Monterey Depot Museum. So thanks for joining us, and we appreciate it.